In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Slack, 2026 Step-by-Step Beginner Tutorial. Start by opening Slack and heading to the place where you want the meeting to show up. This can be any channel or a direct message thread. If you create the event in a channel, everyone in that channel will see the post and can respond. If you do it in a DM, it stays between you and the people in that conversation. Pick the space that best fits who needs to attend and be notified. In the message box at the bottom, type the /command/calendar. You should see Slack suggest the calendar command right away. Select it, and the calendar pane will appear. This command is the quickest way to open the event creator without hunting through menus. If you don't see the command or nothing opens, your workspace may have calendar features managed by an admin, so just be aware of that as a possibility. When the calendar window opens, choose Create Event. This takes you to a simple form where you'll enter the basic details for your meeting so Slack can post it, and if your calendar is connected, put it on your schedule. Give your meeting a clear, concise title. Something like Example Meeting works for now, but it's even better to use a title that tells people what to expect, such as Quarterly Planning Kickoff or Design Review. Clear titles help teammates decide quickly if they need to join. Next, click the Date field and pick the day from the calendar. Double-check the month and year if you're planning ahead. You'll typically see your time zone referenced in this window. Make sure it matches what you expect, especially if your team is distributed. Choose the duration that fits the agenda. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Keep it tight if you can. Shorter meetings are easier to schedule and attend. Now, open available times and pick the start time that works best. If your calendar is connected, you'll see options based on your availability, which helps avoid conflicts. You can flip through days if needed to find a better slot. Select the time that aligns with your audience and any follow-up commitments you have. When everything looks right, click Create. Slack will post the event in the channel or DM you started from, so people can see the details, respond, and add it to their calendars if applicable. If you need to tweak anything afterward, look for the options on the event message to edit or remove it. That's it. Your meeting is scheduled inside Slack, fast